Ever gotten hit with a surprise bill and had no idea which action caused it? With AI-powered tools, that shouldn't be a mystery. Vyroq's Plan and Credits page ends the guessing before you spend a single credit. Open the Overview tab and your credit balance is front and center, a live number, not a hidden invoice. Right underneath it, your rate history, what you paid last time, and what your next pack would cost per credit. Need more? Click Buy Credits and choose from the one-time credit packs. Pick your gateway, tap Purchase, and your balance updates the moment payment clears. Credits never expire, so nothing you buy goes to waste. Curious what's actually running on your plan? Flick to the Features tab. Every AI capability listed with its status, and an upgrade chip on anything still locked, so you know exactly what unlocking it gets you. And when you want the full paper trail, the Ledger tab logs every credit in and out, what it was for, and your balance right after, time-stamped and searchable. No surprises, no guessing, no vendor jargon, just your balance, your usage, and your next move. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.